Okay, I will take you to the sharing the screens to use one more application in a short span of the time. Okay, so this is Google web browser, and I will go here. I will open now translate here. I will open the translate. This will help you to translate from one language to another language. One language to another language. How to translate? This is the question now here. Okay. How to translate the subject? So I will go for here meaning of ICT or meaning of educational technology. Educational technology. I will type here meaning of educational technology. Okay, I will type here this meaning of educational technology in the web browser. Fine. And then I will take this one here, this http topat.com. I will click on that one to get some of the content, text content. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. Okay, technology is used. I will copy this one instead of typing. Not copy ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ. Okay, so in this one here, so this is the Google Translate page. This is also one of the Google product. Here also 9 dots icon will be there. You can directly enter into this Google Translate. How I told the steps to open Google Docs. Like that, in the similar way, likewise, you can also open the Google Translate. Okay, now I copied this one now here. The educational technology definition. I have taken the bit of the content from that. In the left column, I have chosen the English here. In the right column, I have taken the Kannada. Okay, Kannada. Those who are Kannada medium students, usually it is useful for them right now. If you are finding difficulty in translating the things, you can directly take the English material and then you can go for the Google Translate application. Google Translate application. You can see here, the education technology term used to describe a wide area of teaching and learning related software, hardware that is increasing. That's how content is given here. Here also the content is exactly translated. Okay. In the same way, I will copy this one. Okay, I will delete English. Here this side I will take Kannada. And this side I will take on the right side, that is called as a translation page. The left page where exactly the first language content that you wanted to translate, that will on the left side. Now it is going to translating here. See here, in this way you can translate Kannada to English and also from English to Kannada. So in this way you can make best use of the Google Translate. The another way how to open, we have used this 9 dot icons. Another way how to open this one is translate dot. You write down translate dot google.com. You can make. This is a basic thing. You can use with the help of any browser instead of using the Google or Google Chrome. Google Chrome ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ನೀವು ಈ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. You can make best use of it. Okay, I will close this one, and buffering will be more here, and I will close this one also, and so that you will get it. I have 2 minutes right now here to complete this session. I will make here, I will paste the thing in Kannada, and in English it is surely it is going to translate. What I have used now here, na ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ? One of you, please come forward. One of you, please come forward. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ, ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರು? Anyone? Yes, you have used the Google Translate. How you have downloaded the application of the Google Translate? ಹೇಗೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? With the help of translate.google.com in any browser. This is one method. Another method using 9 dots icon. And also you go to the Play Store and type the Google Translate app, and you can install, sign up and sign in. In a mobile also you can all go for this one. Okay, translator. With this, dear students, we have studied Google Docs by using the 9 dot icons and also the Google Translate. So are you having any queries? ಏನರ queries ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. I will give the assignment.